All right, we already talking about the theories, research, curriculum, and let's move on to language teaching methods and techniques. So here, Applied Linguistic provides insights into effective language teaching methods and techniques. It explores different approaches such as communicative language teaching, task-based learning, and content-based instruction, and examines their effectiveness in promoting language proficiency and communicative competence. Language teachers can benefit from this knowledge by adopting evidence-based instructional practices. So, as I mentioned before, I have taught different kind of classes with different ages of learners. And here are the example that I have used so far. In teaching young kids, it is effective to use total physical response, which we have like some kind of model or picture. So we're gonna do the things and say it in the language, in the target language, and the young learner will follow and mimicking what we do. This is effective for them because they can remember by what they're doing or what they're seeing, while also hearing what is it in the target language. Next, we also have communicative language teaching and also task-based learning. This is for like the older students. They're going to be given different kind of tasks. Maybe when we want them to speak more, to speak up in the class, we can give them like presentation task, or when we want them to have like a problem solving skill, we're gonna put them into groups, let them like have the different kind of discussion, and they're gonna make like their own conclusion from their discussion. And if we want them to improve their writing skill, we're gonna give them different topics, or just let them choose their own topic and ask them to write by following the criteria or the language target. So yeah, there are like different kind of methods and techniques that teachers can use. It is only like suitable, like they can use it by observing the classroom situation, because different class might need different kind of approachment. All right. Before, we already have like language input and then methods and theories and for the classroom. Now we have the language assessment. Applied linguistics also contributes to the development of the language assessment tools and techniques. It examines the validity, reliability, and practicality of language tests and helps ensure that assessments accurately measure learners' language abilities. Language teachers can use this information to design appropriate assessment and interpret test results to inform their instructions. So this is like are the tools that we can use to see how far the learners learned. And assessment. For the types, we have aptitude, diagnostic, placement, achievement, and proficiency tests, which we are familiar with TOEIC and TOEFL tests. And those are the example of the language assessment. So in conclusion, the correlation between applied linguistic and language teaching and learning is that the applied linguistic give a solution, like they give like the methods in from the research and the theories that can be used for the language teaching and learning process. That's the correlation between the two topics. And here are the references that I use for this presentation. So that's it. about the video so far about how apply linguistic and language learning and teaching. I hope it can be like giving you new information. And if you have any more suggestion or if you want to have discussion with me, I'll be open to have that with you. So yeah, thank you so much and see you later.